expressed disappointment with today's protests. She said that they may have put people in danger.
Our Julie Dunnemeyer has more tonight on her response and the new measures her office is now taking. Julie.
Doug and Janice, Governor Whitmer saying today that she supports all the protesters' right to free speech, but it's how some people went about expressing themselves in large clusters in front of the Capitol building that she says is concerning. Downtown Lansing, a total gridlock Wednesday.
We know that this rally endangered people.
In an afternoon press conference, Governor Whitmer addressed protesters saying,
I just urge you, don't put yourself at risk, and don't put others at risk either.
She says the behaviors shown here are exactly what spread COVID-19.
I was really disappointed to see people congregating, not wearing masks. I saw someone handing out candy to little kids, barehanded.
When it comes to the stay-at-home order and current closures, Chief Executive for the MDHHS, Dr. Khaldun, says
easing them up too abruptly or without the right infrastructure in place would no doubt cause a second spike in cases and deaths.
Testing also expanding throughout our state. Dr. Khaldun says if you suspect that you have COVID-19 and even have mild symptoms, tests are now available.
In recent days, we recognize that the number of tests done in the state has declined, and we are laser focused on addressing that. We recently announced over 13 additional or expanded testing sites across the state.
Governor Whitmer saying she respects people's right to free speech, but hopes for the good of our whole state, everyone will continue best practices to stay safe.
I just ask you to do your part by not spreading COVID-19. For the sake of those frontline healthcare providers that I was on a Zoom call with while the protest was going on, I ask that you observe the 6-foot distance and wash your hands and wear a mask when you are out in public, when it's necessary to be out in public. I ask that you do everything you can to protect yourselves, so you're protecting the first responders. We're all in this together. I'm the governor for all 10 million people of this state, whether you support all of the policies that I've championed or not.
And Governor Whitmer did sign an additional executive order today that protects people who live in extended care facilities like nursing homes. It protects residents from being evicted as well as employees from being fired if they choose to stay home when they are sick. And Governor Whitmer says she's also working with experts on when to reopen the state. Again, no idea when that could be just yet. For now, live in Grand Rapids, Julie Dunnemeyer, Fox 17 News.
All right, thank you for that.